High scale, guys. Today we have weight wagon with the indicator like this, Avery Weigh-Tronix model 640. To calibrate this weight wagon, you should simulate like this is like the car here. It should be on the ball because we have lots here, and there is like on the each wheel each load cell. So I put the weight on each side of the weight wagon. This is the load cell on the wheel. So to calibrate this indicator, you should go as usual to the calibration mode. And to go to the calibration mode, you should press and hold menu button until it makes 3 beeps. So not one, it will be not the right one menu, 3 one. So I push and hold, not right, this one, and asking us about the code. By pressing this button, I put 640, then model number. To confirm this digit, I press hold menu, again 40, again hold menu, 0, and print select. And now we in the calibration mode. We have 640, so I shouldn't change it to any. I press print select again. Now by pressing hold menu, I go to the span calibration, yeah, and press print button, and it shows us actual weight. This load cell was bad, so we fixed this load cell, and the calibration was like too much out, so it takes some time. But the thing is, you can change this number. So I have 100 kgs on each load cell, so 300 kgs, so it's 661 pounds. To change this number, I can press M button to go up, or M plus button to go down, or hold it to go as much as I can. So we need 661, so I should put here 661, because 661 is 300 kgs in pounds. 0.3, but it doesn't count. So, and press print select button, and it shows us span again. And now we press GN button. We already calibrated, and now we go back to the weight mode, and again it's saving calibration, and it shows us 661 pounds. That's all. Calibration done, guys. Good luck.